today I am going to show you how to make a Lego spinning top. And after I make the spinning top with you, I am going to show you my recent Lego models. So let's build the spinning top. So these are the pieces you will need. But the spinning top is so easy. And when you spin it, it's so fast that you can't even see it spinning. So let's get started. First, you need a long black plastic straight Lego piece, and it's very, very straight and it's like a pole. Then you get a small circle with a cross inside it and put it through the thingy. And then we get this quadrilateral piece, and then we put it on top of this thing, like that, and then you spin it. Whoa, I can't even see it. It's got and these are the other spinning tops. Now I am going to show you my latest Lego collection. Let's start off with my spinning top one. So I've showed you the small ones. I'm going to show you the big one, the medium one, and my Spider-Man web one. Let's start with the Spider-Man web. Whoa, this is brilliant. And this is my medium Thanos one. Whoops. This is a bit cheeky one. Now my big colourful one. Ooh, I like it. It blends in colours. And my favourite spinning top was the Spider-Man web one. Let's look at that. Whoa, it went like Spider-Man. So now I am going to show you my Lego Rhino. Hello. This doesn't look like a rhino, but I like it. It's cute and I love Lego. So now I'm going to show you my Lego Transformer. This is my Lego Transformer. Right now it's a lorry, but I'll make it transform into a man. That side, inside. Put that all the way there. Put that, move it to the right and that. So now, oops, the man is a bit unsteady. So now it's in a man position. So now I am going to show you my mutant alien. Hello, hello. Now I am going to show you my cute puppy. I made this and it's very cute. And you might not notice its eyes, but it has some eyes. Some eyes are there. Now I'm going to show you my spinner. My other fidget spinner. Woo! So that was a tour of my latest Lego models. Bye, and I hope I see you in the next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button quickly though. Bye.